Hi there, this is Kiam from Protouch Car Care. This was a tomato sauce spill that we cleaned up on New Year's Eve 2024. It was tomato sauce that was made for pizza bases, for making pizza. And unfortunately, the client was transporting it without having sealed it properly and it spilled in his boot. So he called us the evening before and gave him some advice on cleaning up the excess, and which he did, which made it much easier for us to clean it up the following day. Begin. Okay, don't forget to wipe this area here. All right, so fold that seats down. All right, so we're going to cut the base mat here, the floor mat of the boot area, just below that, as deep as you can. Then we can remove it and clean it. Take out this, please. Lift. Take that out. Okay, so all of the tomato puree fell down here. It separated underneath here, so it looked like clear liquid. So all of this needs to be washed as well, the spare wheel and whatnot. So spray some all-purpose cleaner and clean it. The metal of the floor as well. This was tomato puree to make pizza. Okay. So shampoo the sides there. If we have glyco, use that. Use the all-purpose or upholstery shampoo and steam. Okay. These areas here, we're going to shampoo as well. But we're not going to fill with anything further than this point. This needs to be wiped down. Do you see this area? Okay. And underneath here. Okay. Because all of that fluid you can see fell through here. You can see how it's wet there as well. Okay. This, let's take it out one time. Okay. Get it around. You see all of that tomato on there. Flip. Just be careful. It's already got a bend in there. All right. Cool. So I'd say we should just wash through here as well. Mac, should just wash through here. So we're not going to do a car wash on the vehicle. Just get all of that. So we're in progress of cleaning. Things are looking and smelling much better. We change out water all the time, and that's how it looks like at the present. Quite dirty. So this entire bottom area and this area is being cleaned, as well as this bottom edge underneath. Clean both sides of this board. Flip it. Okay. So we are done with the cleaning process. Side panels, the rear of the seat. We've put our noses close to it. We can't smell anything at present. The seat belt here has been cleaned. This spare wheel area has been cleaned. The back panel here has been cleaned, as well as the hatch. There's a lot of residue up in here that has been cleaned. We're wiping off both doors, the bottom of the seat there, the bottom here, all cleaned up.